Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to recover your account on Raid Shadow Legends. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, sorry for that again. Anyway, all you need to do, just go and open the Raid Shadow Legend. Of course, if you don't have it on your phone, first of all, you would like to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to actually go and open the application, which is the Raid Shadow Legend. So let me just go here and open mine, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So let's just wait until the game opens. And as you can see, that will actually be your home or your main screen when you open your game. So of course, as we said, if you want to recover your account, all you need to do simply do not click at start a new game. You would like to go on and click at log in into your account. So of course, as you can see here, we have two options of log in into your account. We have to, if you want to log in with your Plarium ID, or if you want to log in with Facebook. Of course, if you can't log in with any of those, you can just go here and contact support if you have any trouble. So of course, when you click here, as you can see, let's just wait a bit until the a page will load for us. So click in there. I guess okay, it maybe because I'm using here a simulator, it will not work for me. But when you click actually as support, they will actually take you to their website and you will be able to ask any question you have. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.